Hi guys, I'm Ashad back again at MWC for 91 Mobiles with a Sony smartphone. I'm at the Sony booth right now. Sony's launched the blitzkrieg of smartphones here at MWC 2017. In my hand is the Sony Xperia XZ-S. This phone is a compact variant of the XZ Premium. It comes with a 5.2-inch Full HD display instead of a 4K HDR display, and it has the same 19-megapixel camera on the rear with 960 FPS slow motion shooting as well. What's also interesting is the fact that it comes with IP68 certification, which means that it is water resistant for sure. Also interestingly, it doesn't come with a Snapdragon 835 processor like the XZ Premium, but it comes with a Snapdragon 820 processor. Let's find out what I think about this phone right now. Like I mentioned before, the phone has a 5.2-inch Full HD display with Gorilla Glass 5 on top of it. It's running Android 7.1 Nougat, to be sure about that, which is very interesting as well, because most of the smartphones being launched at MWC this year are running Android Nougat, which is a great trend, of course. Internally, it's got the Snapdragon 820 processor with Adreno 510 GPU. It comes in a storage variant of 32GB and 64GB, and it also offers 4GB of RAM with the option to expand it with a micro SD card to up to 2 TB as well. You can see that there is a flap for opening and inserting the SIM card. This flap is here specifically because it's got IP68 protection. Also, it uses a USB Type-C port as well. What's interesting is that it's got the same 19-megapixel camera on the rear with hybrid autofocus and the ability to shoot 960 FPS slow-mo. Let's just jump right into the camera and figure out how it shoots. Stuff. It's in the video mode right now, but we'll just jump and you'll figure out that it's shooting photos really fast. Although we cannot check the quality of the photos right now, and we'll have to check for a review unit before we sort of figure out what is the actual performance of the phone. Also, the selfie camera has a 13-megapixel wide-angle lens. I'll just change that for you, and you can see that it's pretty wide, and it's showing you a few features as well as to how you can change the cameras and stuff. The other interesting stuff to note is that the phone definitely comes with a lot of Sony's apps like Lounge and PlayStation apps and stuff like that. Also, the phone has a 2900 mAh non-removable battery with support for Quick Charge 3.0 as well. The most interesting thing about the XZ-S is definitely the fact that it is IP68 resistant, and it's a compact phone. So if you're longing for a compact phone, this could be a good option. We don't know when Sony will launch this in India though, but do expect a launch soon. Until next time, this is Ashad signing off. Keep watching our videos for more MWC coverage. Thank you so much.